Excel is a world-class premium performance end-to-end infrastructure solution designed, manufactured, supported and delivered without compromise. The Excel brand is owned by Mayflex, a Sonepar company, headquartered in the UK, where a team of industry experts have worked since 1997 to create cabling and rack solutions that stay true to our core values. Complementary to these cabling and rack solutions, Excel offer a range of specialist support services which are ideal for projects with limited time available on-site for installation or for rapid deployment projects. The meteoric rise of the brand reflects a growing demand worldwide for a reliable, standards-compliant, structured cabling and racking system, readily available in 100% plastic-free packaging, an industry first. We hold in excess of £5 million worth of Excel stock at our 90,000 square foot warehouse facility in our Birmingham headquarters, with more than 1,200 pallet locations and 9 computerised lean lifts. Just down the road from our Birmingham headquarters, we have a 64,500 square foot rack assembly, storage and shipping area dedicated to the range of Excel Environ racks. Excel, the #1 cabling supplier in the UK, is able to deliver this mix through a growing base of distributors and integrators across the world, which combine to make the brand an increasingly viable option. With a focus on system performance, independent verification and a 25-year warranty when installed by an accredited Excel partner, it's easy to see why Excel is the system of choice across so many organisations and different vertical markets. To find out more about working with the extensive Excel product range and choosing the right system for your next project, visit our website at www.excel-networking.com or contact our sales team on 0121 326 7557.